In early 1984, Yamaha shook the superbike world with a name that has since become legendary: the Yamaha Rd500 LC. This bike wasn't just fast, it was a symbol of Yamaha's technical madness in the two-stroke era. Featuring a 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke V4 engine, the RD500 was the street version of the GP monster YZR500. Its sound was sharp, its power brutal, and its character wild. This was the bike that made the 80s generation fall in love with one word: V4. Decades have passed, the world has changed. Emissions regulations have grown stricter, technology has advanced by leaps and bounds, but one thing has never died: Yamaha's racing DNA. In 2025, Yamaha revives that mythology through a new generation V4 engine platform born from the development of MotoGP and modern superbikes. The 2025 V4 isn't nostalgia, it's the foundation for a resurgence. And in 2026, Yamaha will open a new chapter: Yamaha Rd500 V4. The name RD is back, not as a historical display, but as a new generation weapon. The RD500 V4 features a 500 cubic centimeters DOHC, liquid-cooled V4 engine with an unconventional firing order to create a dense torque character at low revs while still exploding at high RPM. The goal is clear: the distinctive V4 sound, aggressive response, and engine revs that make your heart race. This isn't a tame engine, it's built for riders who want to feel the thrill of racing every day. The design is a meeting of the past and the future. Sharp, modern GP-style fairings are combined with classic RD retro graphics. An aggressive boxy tank, a pointed tail, and a low-slung seating position create a silhouette that looks like a race bike escaping from the pit lane. And look at the exhaust. An underslung racing exhaust with short twin outlets, designed not just for sound, but also for weight balance and maximum exhaust flow. Its roar isn't just loud, it's soul-shaking. The RD500 V4 isn't just a new motorcycle. It's Yamaha's message to the world: legends never die. They just wait for the right moment to return faster, sharper, and more brutal. This is the Yamaha Rd500 V4. V4 is back. And it's angry. Thanks for watching.